Develop your musical potential. Yannis Kapa guitar. This is Yannis Kapa. In this week's video, we're going to learn G minor chord. Okay guys, G minor chord. So what you do is you put your finger, your first finger, on the first three chords on 3rd fret. Okay? Just like this. And then you put your 3rd finger on the 5th fret, 4th string. And this is your G minor. Okay? Now make sure this finger here presses gently on the 3rd string, 3rd fret, sorry. And then you press a little bit towards that direction right here in order to have a good grip. You get your clear sound, and then your 3rd finger. And then of course remember to play only the 4 strings, the first strings, okay? And that is your G minor chord. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, leave a comment, click view, so you will get every week a video about guitar lessons, anything related to guitars, and how to learn how to play. And that's for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.